What up, guys? It's your boy Dennis Martinez.
Well, guys, today I'm gonna change my starter because it gave out and then it doesn't want to start. So we're gonna work on our cart today. Well, guys, is right there. So I'm gonna have to move my intake, and then I hope that's all I need to move, so I don't have to struggle as much with all the fucking. And this is like really wasted, basically. This is all scratched up right here, but I'm gonna need to get to there. So let's see how I do it. And pretty much it. When I move everything, I start recording again. So let me do all this real quick, and then I'll show you guys. I just found out that the people that had this cart also had subwoofers on the back. But since I already have my new one I installed, so I'm pulling it out. Oh shit, I got stuck. Boom. All out. That's my little cousin, guys. He's a straight hooper. He always be playing basketball on a daily basis, like no lie. But back to this. So I'm planning on taking out my AC since I don't really, you know, have the system for it. It really was. I'll show you right now. But I'm planning on taking my AC system since I don't really have AC because I don't have a whatever it's fucking called for AC.
Alabama, huh, Michael?
Yeah, Alabama.
No, you're fucking stupid, bro.
He's a straight hooper. So for me to take it off, there's nothing I could hear. It's all like literally hanging down, and it goes all the way down under my battery. So I need to take out my battery to take out my AC system. So yeah, guys, I'll take it out in a bit and I'll show you.
What up, guys? Well, I'm gonna give you a little tutorial about. Oh my god, don't think his car. My cousin's car. Okay. Okay. Okay, right here. Bucket seats. What kind of bucket seats are these, Mike? The which is the one that starts with the B? No, no, idiot. The
Right.
Yeah, there we go. Bright bucket seats. Look at that. You see? Damn, this heat. This is NGR, I think, something like that.
NRG.
Oh, I was about to say that. I fucked up. Okay, that NRG. This right here is where we connect the NOS. Wait, that focus right there. You see it right there? This is an extra brake pedal. You know. Little. Is that me or you? Oh, well, this right here, a little dirty, you know. This is like adds 5 power to the engine, you know. All this mess, even pepes, you know. We got the racing harness right here, you know. The kickers, you dig? Oh fuck, there we go. Okay, okay, these right here. We got these SRT slash BBSs. Missing a lug nut, but you know.
Yeah, bro.
These lug nuts right here shoot out, you know, when we're about to race or something like that. This right here gives us what is it, Mike? Which one? Okay, Gary, the Gary sticker. How much shots of NOS does it give us?
I give them only like a 10 shot.
10 shots, you know, 10 shots. How about this daily driven?
There ain't no, bro. Let me give you like a good 20, bro.
20?
20.
So all these right here 20?
Not all of them. Some are 5, some are 10.
Okay, well this one I'm assuming is 20, 20, 20, and 10. You know? So you do the math. This one, that means straight race car, you know, with the K series. This, my nigga, straight. Look at that shit. Look at that. Amazing. I don't know. I think this one's like 30. Pretty sure. This one right here, okay? Into the engine. I just disconnected it. Mike, I think I just disconnected it. Where does it go? Right here? Right there?
Yeah.
I just pulled it. Well, this right here. This is NOS, right? No. It's tubo.
Tubo.
Yep. And like, it gets air from right there, you know? Make it faster. Mini turbo right there. Something, I don't know what the fuck this is. It looks safe, that's why I got it. That. I don't know what the fuck that is. I don't know. And all these wires, I don't know. That's pretty much it. That's all I know.
Well, guys, I took it off, as you can see right about there, but I got the wrong one. The fucking alternator that, I mean, not the alternator, the starter that I had is not for an Integra. It's for like an EGEK. So like for like that one. So now I have to go return and get another one. And then about my AC system, these bolts in here are so fucking stuck that I'm planning on cutting here to here so I can just take it off, and then it's still gonna have my battery what is it called, holder, I'm gonna call it. Well, guys, everything's back. New starter, battery. I know it looks bad like that, but I need to get a new one. Doesn't matter. Back. Ready? Alright, let's see if it starts. First try. Damn. Ooh, a bug. Oh, this shit. Boom. Say no more. Shit. No check engine. My brakes up. No, I got no seatbelt on. The door's open. The air, I believe that stands for airbag. I don't know if it's because of this or that. Wait up. Hold on. Yeah, boy. Well, let's turn this baby off. Eliminate. If you guys know who they are, they're lit. I saw them in Tune in Tokyo last month. Yeah, last month. So oh, what is up, guys? Just came home, dropped off Dennis. We checked some cars. There's 2 Honda that he might buy, but that's for tomorrow's vlog. And then tomorrow, I mean today or tomorrow, I'm gonna buy the paint as well. So tomorrow I have a busy day. So that's today's vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys next time.